All right, let's look and see what if we've got this the not out in front of a parentheses. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to set up where we are comparing it to what's in the parentheses, and then the not is going to switch all of those values to the opposite. Okay, so here we go. We've got P and Q, so I'm going to set up my truth table, and it always goes true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false with 2. Okay, now I see a not Q, so I'll do that one. Just switching those Q's from true, false to false, true, false, true. Okay, good. So now I've got that. Now let's do what's in the parentheses. P if and only if not Q. Okay, so I need to compare not P, and they're always with if and only if, it gets to be true if they're the same. So this is false. Here they have the same value, so this one gets to be true. Same value, so true, and different values, so false. Right, we've got false, false, so it's the same. Good. Okay, so now we're going to do our final thing. So it's not P if and only if not Q. Okay, so what we do is we just take everything in this column and just switch the value. So it was false, and now we'll switch it to true. And so that's true. This was true, so we'll switch it to false. 2 was true, so it's false, true.